Hello guys, today we are playing Will It Flash and we're starting with red balloons, mini balloons. Anyway, they're small. Do you think they will flash or not? Oh, quite a few did flash, but not all of them. Because, well, they are big enough, you know? And when they are small, but for the toilet hole, they are quite big. What a crazy idea to flush balloons. I mean, you can flush food, you can flush cereals, birds' food, chocolates. Well, it's better to not, but balloons. Toilets are not made to flush balloons. But he do. What he's trying to do is trying to pop them. What a horrible noises. Just don't try that at home. Don't try to flush balloons. It's the worst idea you can get. Happily, we have this guy who's doing this and we can watch and just to find out what will happen if we flush the balloons, and we see now nothing good gonna happen. Okay, what is this? What is this? He's making a slime, I guess, and it's gonna be a purple slime. Mixing glue with coloring, like acrylic paint, I guess. And liquid detergent, then shaving foam, and now he's gonna mix it all. Oh, okay, now he have very purple slime. Slime into the toilet, will it flush? You know, slime made out of glue, so will it flush or not? Or it will stick down to the toilet somewhere? Oh, it's quite a lot of slime. I mean, I don't know, like 5 liters of glue you used. I don't know, like a lot of glue. Now I want to play with slime, but not toilet slime. Will it flush or not? It's a question. It's a question. How to know? Wow! It's quite a lot of slime, look! I don't believe it will flush, but maybe. Let's see. Oh, it's so disgusting. Why he's putting his hands down the toilet? It's just... Okay, I know he's trying to make jiggly slime. That's why. Come on, push the button. If not, it will be too liquid, and sure it will flash because slime will be liquid. So. Oh yeah, it did flash because he mixed it too much with water. That's why it wasn't that thick at the beginning. And now he's throwing cookies down the toilet to find out will it flash or not. Well, to my opinion, it just depends how much he will put in there. Oh, it's quite a lot. Let's check, will it flash? Almost, I would say almost it did. But not quite. Well, it needs some help, I think. I know! It finally did flash! Okay!